Hello guys. If your Frigidaire countertop ice maker keeps showing the add water message even after you've already filled the tank, it can be really confusing and frustrating. The machine looks ready, the reservoir has water, but it still refuses to start the ice making cycle. This usually happens when the unit isn't detecting water correctly, which can be caused by sensor issues, air bubbles in the system, or minor blockages in the water intake path. Since these machines rely on accurate water level detection to function, even a small disruption can trigger that message repeatedly. The good thing is, this doesn't usually mean the machine is broken, it just needs a proper reset and a few targeted checks. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix this issue and get your ice maker working again. Step 1. Safely turn off the ice maker and unplug it for a complete reset. Step 2. Remove the water reservoir and refill it with clean water properly. Step 3. Reinsert the tank firmly to ensure proper alignment. Step 4. Gently shake the unit slightly to release trapped air bubbles. Step 5. Clean the water inlet area to remove any blockage or buildup. Step 6. Plug the unit back in and check if the message disappears.